What's going on, guys? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a look at the upcoming Air Jordan 12 Retro in the FIBA colorway. These are set to drop August 23rd for a retail price of $190 or $255 here in Canada. So the official colorway for this shoe is white, university red, and metallic gold. Made to commemorate the upcoming FIBA World Cup, this takes a very clean and very simplistic colorway on the classic Jordan 12 silhouette, with this gold, red, and white color scheme that pays homage to the host country, China. So for everyone watching, if you guys are from Canada, these will be available on August 23rd at the Closet Inc. So the Closet Inc. is a sneaker boutique located at Southern Ontario, so support your independent shops. I'll add their social media, their website, all that good stuff down in the description box below. Before we go on any further, here's a quick look at the box. So these do come in a special edition box. This is all black. However, if you take a closer look, you'll see that there's this pattern all over, which incorporates all the participating countries' flags. And then it's finished off and accented with this gold Jumpman at the very top. So jumping back to the shoes, this is your classic Jordan 12 silhouette. However, it is slightly tweaked from the OG versions that we've all come to love. So the base layer of this sneaker, this is constructed out of this very glossy, textured white leather. So this leather is pretty soft to the touch, but there is this shine to it that some people may love or hate. Overlaid on top of this, we have this smooth white leather, which is also done in this glossy finish, and then incorporated on this leather, we have this all over flag pattern, which is the same pattern found on the shoebox. Breaking up all this white, we have this hint of gold in the middle, we have this Jumpman branding found within, and this is replicated on the medial side as well without that Jumpman branding. We also have additional hits of gold in the top two eyelets as well. In terms of laces, so these come with your standard rope style laces in white, and then underneath this, we have this leather tongue, which is also done in this glossy finish, and it's finished off with this Jumpman at the top, along with the word 2-3 embroidered down the center. On the back of the shoe, so at the very bottom, we have the number 23 in red, and then we have this red nylon strip, which acts as a pull tab, along with these Chinese characters that translates to, "The heart only burns for this," referring to the love of the game. As I pull out the insole, so these come with a standard red Jordan brand insole, finished off with a Jumpman on the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 12s sit atop this all white colored midsole. Encased within this midsole but not visible to the eye, there is a full-length Zoom Air unit, which gives this shoe exceptional comfort and cushioning. Turning these guys over to the bottom, here we have your standard Jordan 12 outsole. So on the forefoot and the bottom heel, we have these pods, which have this herringbone traction pattern. And to give it some added pop, we have this carbon fiber shank plate, which is visible through the middle. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, and I got these in a size 10. Overall, I'd say that the Jordan 12s do run relatively true to size, so whatever your feet actually measures in, I'd get that size in these Jordan 12s. For comparison's sake, while I got these in a size 10, I'm also a size 10 in other Jordan models like the Jordan 11, the Jordan 13, and the 14. From a comfort standpoint, so the Jordan 12 straight out of the box is a bit heavy and it's a bit tank-like. You do definitely have to break in Jordan 12s, but once they're broken in, this model is one of the more comfortable Jordans in the entire line. One negative thing though is there isn't a lot of ventilation on this shoe, so in the summer especially, your feet can really heat up, so that's another thing you might want to consider before grabbing this pair. Last but not least, in terms of quality, so I touched upon this briefly earlier, but the quality on this shoe, the leather quality specifically, is nothing special. It's not the worst leather in the world, but it's definitely nothing premium. Aside from that though, I had no visible craftsmanship issues on my pair, so overall it was decent, but not great. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these FIBA 12s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Visually speaking, I gotta say this colorway is pretty clean. It's a very simple take with mostly white with just enough hits of red and gold to make it not look boring. However, with so many white and red Jordans, personally I don't love this pair, and I'm waiting for Jordan Brand to bring back the OG white and red Jordans again. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. of these FIBA Air Jordan 12s. Is this a cop or a drop for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Once again, if you guys are watching from Canada and you do plan to cop this pair, definitely check out The Closet Inc. Again, their social media, their website is down below. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.